Good morning mga alipin ng salapi, Mapadolyares, Pound, Yoro, Real, Lapad, Longneck. Ay, parang may mali. Charot It's lang. my day off again. The usual routine after I woke up was that I fixed my bed. While hipusog higdaan, I was listening to music. You go. Is it too late to let you know? Iton kagayon, naman mo kaanggad kita sa saktong oras. Charot lang. So this time, mga pisata mga day, I have this Milo. It contains with vitamins, minerals like iron, calcium, vitamin D, and B vitamins, which help with energy metabolism and bone growth. Ay, sakto ra. Abay advertise. Maura ni akong breakfast, mga inday, Milo with banana. By the way, ang saging mga inday is a good source of potassium, good for the heart, ug makahatag og energy. That's why you need to eat more bananas. Uy, tawang-tawa yarn.